So the DX challenge, basically, it's involving the coaching session here in Dassel, where we are taking the winner for a week. And basically what they are doing is transforming this concept, this idea, into something real. When they win, basically what they have is 1 week here in Dassel with our global expert, Klaus. He's one of our main scientists able to develop that idea, that concept into a real test.
Hi, I'm Pilar and I'm a researcher at Institut d'Investigació Sanitària Pere Virgili in Reus Hospital. Basically, my research focuses on looking for metabolite biomarkers and to translate them into real diagnostic tools for cancer prevention and detection. We decided to participate in the DX challenge here in Dassel because we want to develop a urine-based lateral flow assay, and we are still in the initial phases of the test development. The project we are working on, it's called METAspread, is a urine-based lateral flow assay to detect colorectal cancer relapse and to help with the patient stratification. Basically, colorectal cancer is the second leading cause of cancer-related death and the second most common cancer worldwide. So there's a huge problem because 30 to 40% of colorectal cancer-treated patients relapse during the years, and most of them with distant metastases. So the actual methods to detect this relapse are failing, and that's where our test, METAspread, comes in because it presents higher specificity and sensitivity to detect the early stage of this relapse. Participating in the DX challenge was extremely important for us because being here allows us to conduct different types of experiments in different conditions to test our antibodies and our samples. We receive constructive feedback about what works and what needs to be implemented when we return. Being here in Dassel was an accelerator because we could refine the project and gain confidence. Now we know what we need to buy, what the protocols we need to follow, the antibodies we need to try, and basically it helped us so much.
The challenge is about improving patients' lives, so it's always a good idea. It's something that it's a new test. It's something that it's really improving patient life because it's going to be faster, it's going to be cheaper, it's going to be accessible everywhere. Providing the technology and the support to make this idea real is what is going to make them succeed. It's not about selling, it's about supporting and being the partner.
We would like to thank Cytiva for selecting us as the DX Challenge winners and for giving us this opportunity. We are truly grateful and we look forward to continuing with the METAspread development with all we learned during this week here in Dassel.